Well, if you're asking a direct question, have we taken enough cuts? I know that cabinet ministers in this government, this is before any Croke Park 2 cuts are implemented, which will be significant in and of themselves, will earn something of the order of 30 to 40% less than their predecessors at the peak. Now, there's not too many groups of workers in our economy that have taken a 30 to 40% pay cut. Objective terms, ministers in this government earn between 30 and 40% less than their predecessors did at peak. And I think that's a very significant reduction. And you look at comparators within the economy, whether after Croke Park 2, a payment of the order of 150,000 for a minister, when you look at what other senior administrators in public companies or private companies are paid, but that is reasonable. I'll let you judge that.